Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Hyundai Ioniq 5 to BlueLink, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect your Hyundai Ioniq 5 to BlueLink, ensure your vehicle is parked and turned on. Begin by unlocking your vehicle and accessing the touchscreen display. From the home screen, select the setup option. Next, navigate to the connectivity section. Within this menu, find and tap on BlueLink. You will see a prompt to create or log into your BlueLink account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Provide the required information, including your email address and password. Once you've entered your details, confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. After submitting your information, you will receive a verification email. Check your inbox for the verification email and follow the instructions to verify your account. After verifying, return to the vehicle's touchscreen. Log into your BlueLink account using your email and password. Once logged in, your Hyundai Ioniq 5 will attempt to connect to BlueLink services. You may see prompts asking for necessary permissions. Ensure you grant permission for the app to access your vehicle's features. Wait for the connection process to complete. Once connected, your BlueLink app will display a confirmation message. You can now access various BlueLink features through the app. For additional settings, explore the options available in the BlueLink menu. Congratulations, your Hyundai Ioniq 5 is now connected to BlueLink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.